Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use SUMX function to filter on multiple columns to provide a single value. Now here I have a data set which is from a company named SBE, which is into insurance. This is a sample data set and we have created a measure. How we need to create a measure is just go here, give it a name, for example mail charges, and we're going to use SUMX function. Before using this, I'm going to tell you the basic that here we have charges which is being paid by each individual. Now there are attributes or features related to it. It can be age, sex, BMI index, number of children, whether they are smokers or not, and the area they belong to. This is Delhi's data set. Okay, so for example, if we need to provide the charges paid by a male, so we're going to filter the table. Okay, SBE insurance. And what is going to be the filter expression? It is going to be the male. So sex is going to male. If we need to add one more filter, we can simply go for this and write the area or area which can be North Delhi, and we're gonna write one more filter this time, and it is gonna be that if they are smoker or not, and we're gonna see for the smokers, right? And now what we need to provide them is charges. The measure has been created. Now we can simply go add one card and go for the mail charges. Here it is. I hope you liked it, guys. I'm going to show you the DAX calculation once more. Here it is. That's it from my guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.